Today's Bible verse comes from Proverbs chapter 31, verse 30, King James Version. Favor is deceitful and beauty is vain, but a woman that feareth the Lord, she shall be praised. Proverbs 31:30 teaches that outer beauty and charm are temporary and misleading, while a woman's true, lasting value comes from her reverence for God. It encourages focusing on inner character, wisdom, and faith over superficial appearance, highlighting that a God-fearing woman deserves the highest praise. Key takeaways: number 1, beauty is temporary. Physical appearance fades and cannot be relied upon. Number 2, charm is deceptive. Surface level charisma can hide poor character. Number 3, true value is internal. A heart that reveres God provides lasting beauty, strength, and dignity. And number 4, focus on character. The ultimate goal is cultivating a life of faith and obedience to God. Amen.